Hey, Wagwan, do you want to know how to make your song available on Shazam? Then you have clicked the right video. I'm KIDAAX here, Superstar Trouble Boy. If you're new here on my channel, kindly hit on the red subscribe button below. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop new videos like this. If you're interested in the video, then follow me to the end. Let's get to the video right away. To make a song appear on Shazam or your profile on Shazam, it's a very simple one. I know you guys are eager to know how to do that. That's why you tap on the video. Okay, actually, to make a song appear on Shazam just like mine, let me show you guys mine. Okay, that's clean. My song is on Shazam and you can check it out. If anyone should Shazam my song by searching it or using the audio finding store, very easily you can find my song on Shazam. And let's leave that. Let's go to the main thing. To make a song appear on Shazam, the number one thing is when you distribute your music. Once you chose Apple Music or iTunes, probably then your song should be on Shazam. Song should be on Shazam probably. But in case of, for you to be sure of what you're doing, when you distribute your music through your distributor, with TuneCore, SongTrader, Muse, or any platform you're using, then make sure you are choosing Shazam. Whenever you are choosing the platform you are distributing to, make sure you are choosing Shazam. Make sure you find out you're choosing Shazam. For example, now I use SongTrader, so I make sure whenever I'm distributing to all platforms, and Shazam is included. And in case you even choose all platform on your distribution company, and still yet you aren't finding your song on Shazam, then maybe your distribution company are not uploading music to Shazam, or you can just send an email to them to confirm if they are connecting with Shazam. And in case you don't know how to upload your music to all platforms and you don't know how to do that, I'll drop a link up here right now for you to check how to watch a video. I did a video earlier on that, on how to upload your music to all major platforms. You can check the video out if you don't know how to release your music to all major platforms, and that's what you get about that. Then your music should be on Shazam for people to find you easily, and that's how to go about that. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for watching that amazing video. If you are new here once again and you haven't subscribed, hit on the red subscribe button below and click on the notification bell to get notified, to be first to get notified whenever I drop new videos like this. Follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, and join my Telegram community. I'll drop the link to my socials below. I can also stream my song on all platforms. Thanks very much once again. I'm KIDAAX, aka Superstar Trouble Boy. Until we meet in the next video, peace.